PIC was the obvious choice, was the missing link. In the last 2 years, we've had a big explosion of work in the All-on-X field. Our biggest issue was finding a reliable impression-taking technique that we can translate to finals. We had to look for a system that would assist us in moving forward with immediate temporization and in-house printing. A lot of our issues were the vertical dimension issues that we've experienced in the past. With the PIC protocols using soft tissue alignment, these will be resolved and we'll have a more passive fit with the final results. We can receive the files immediately instead of waiting for up to 6 to 7 hours post-surgery to receive the cases, which then means that the patients will get their temporaries quicker and everything will be a bit more streamlined, and our laboratory can run on a more normal basis rather than working late into the night or in the early hours trying to get these cases done for our clients. The ease of the use of the PIC is the thing that made me most excited. I believe that with the PIC system that this should provide a streamlined workflow for our lab. We'll be able to provide high accuracy, high quality results.
Honestly, I did not expect that that machine will give us that beautiful passive fit.
And the feeling
It is so passive.
and the feeling that you are noticing now when you are screwing,
Yeah.
what?
So like it's very smooth.
Yeah, and it's lining. It's
so
because it's
much
lining
better.
up.
Yeah. Wow.